Poison dart frogs are typically pretty small, sometimes less than 1.5 centimeters in length, and weigh less than 1 ounce. They can be found in the lowland forests, swamps, marshes, riparian areas, around lakes and streams of subtropical forests. The indigenous people of South America use the toxins from the skin of poison dart frogs to coat their arrows and their darts for hunting game in the rainforest. The toxin is very potent and causes paralysis very quickly. It shuts down the body's organs, including lungs, which regulate breathing and air intake. After a short time, the victim suffocates and dies. The toxin was used by the indigenous people to make their lives easier. It is difficult to hunt game in the trees, and they needed whatever advantages they could to make their lives a little bit simpler. The poison was extracted by agitating the frogs enough to secrete it from their skin. This was done by holding the frog over the fire or just by rubbing them until they secrete the toxin. Arrows and darts were wiped down with the toxin as well. This is also where the name poison dart frog comes from. During the process of poison extraction by the indigenous people, the frogs were not actually harmed and were later put back where they were found. The native people would then thank the frogs for their poison. Poison dart frogs in captivity do not have the toxins in their skin that make them poisonous. Poison dart frogs in the wild typically eat spiders, ants, centipedes, and other insects. It is in their diet in the wild that helps to create the toxins in their skin. The insects they eat ingest plants with the toxins. Then these compounds mix, build in concentration in the poison dart frogs. In captivity, such as here in the zoo, they're fed crickets, flies, and other insects which have not eaten toxic plants, and so therefore no poison is produced in the frog's skin. Frogs that originated in the wild may retain their toxins in their skin for a while, and it's unknown how long. So caution should be taken when handling any poison dart frogs with unknown origin, as their skin-to-skin contact can be extremely dangerous and cause paralysis and even death.